Welcome to the Introduction to Human Geography, Geography 142. This is an online class offered at Lane Community College, and I'm the instructor, Lynn Songer. So, the course management for this class will be delivered through a program called Moodle. If you have not used Moodle, when you log into your MyLane, there will be a link for Moodle. You'll need to sign in with your L number and your passphrase, and the class that you're enrolled in should show up in Moodle. If you have trouble with that, make sure to check in with the student help desk. Moodle, the first thing you want to do when you're in Moodle is to make sure that under the settings, the email that you're going to use for the term is selected in Moodle or added in Moodle. Lane sometimes puts in a kind of a fake email address to fill in that spot, and so you may have an older email address from previous terms, so make sure that that's current. I'm going to try sending messages through Moodle, and that's the best way to contact me. My email, regular email, gets pretty full, and so I know when I go into Moodle that I'm working with student messages. And then all of the materials, other than the New York Times, you're going to access, and the text, sorry, you'll access through Moodle. There's additional readings, there's some videos, and you'll submit your coursework through Moodle as well. So for the readings, each week I have outlined some special topics in each chapter that I want you to focus on. Make sure you look through the list of terms. There's at the end of each chapter there's a list of terms. The terms are highlighted throughout the text. And I'm not asking you to read in detail each chapter, but I really want you to familiar yourselves with the terminology that each chapter covers, because these are the words and the terms that I'm going to want you to use in your discussions. I'll also include more current articles that show you kind of not a theoretical but a practical application of those concepts, and then there'll be a short video, sometimes a couple short videos. So what you'll need to do is watch that material, read the text and the information, and then using the New York Times, and if you don't want to sign up for an online account, every coffee store in town has a copy of the New York Times, and the library does as well. And I want you to read, look through the pages that are indicated in your syllabus and find an article that's somewhat related to the topic or one of the topics that you read about or watched. And then by Thursday I want you to submit a blog that you discuss your article. You'll need to cite your article, connect it with the readings. Try to really include academic terms and the language of the discipline. And then by Sunday you need to comment on someone else's blog. The grading is outlined in your syllabus, and there are examples of the grading rubric for each blog, and I'll be happy to meet with you and talk about that if you're not clear about the expectations. Typically I'm kind of generous with that first blog, and I'll make a lot of comments on that. If I find you need a lot of writing help, I'll probably send you a link for the Writing Center. One of the things you may want to do is create your blog in a Word document, check it out, check spelling, and then post it that way. So I look forward to just a fun course working with you and reading the things that you find in the Times. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.